you have many Facebook accounts, and you want to use these Facebook accounts to comment on a series of group lists according to a list that you desire only. Set. For example, I have many Facebook accounts ready, and today I'll show you a tool to automate this. First, prepare your Facebook accounts and enter them into the software. With just one step, you can input all these accounts into the software. After that, you will set some basic parameters and select the action to go comment. I have already set this up so you can check. First is the group list. I already have the list of groups I requested here, and I will enter this part into the software. After that, you just need to enter the content you requested here for me. You can edit the content as you like freely. Additionally, you can add emotions to the post within this. Save it now. Note this, I have many versions, so I'll pick one. Select channel 14 if you want to proceed. Select channel 14 now. Save it now. Just press start and the software will process it automatically. I'm setting the active Facebook accounts at one time to 6. Meaning, my 6 Facebook accounts will all take that same content and post it into different groups. You can set it so that one account posts to one group or one account posts to many different groups. I will guide you directly through these setup and instruction steps. These steps are very easy. 10 minutes of guidance is enough for you to grasp this process. If you want the software, contact me. I will help install and teach you how to use it.